capacitors is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, like that it will go. For series connection of capacitors, the charging current flowing through the capacitors is the same for all capacitors, and it is only the path to follow. Okay, and the current flow will be the same, but the capacitor's value will decrease. Okay, so next, the total circuit capacitance of any number of capacitors connected together in series will always be less than the value of the smallest capacitor in the series. Okay, if I connected 2pf, 5pf and 7pf, the total value will be less than 2pf. So that is the important thing. So I by the total value of the capacitor is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, 1 by C3, like that it will go, and the current flow will be the same, but the capacitance value will only decreases. For example, if 0.1 mmD plus 0.2 microfarad plus 0.3 microfarad is equal to 1 by 18.33 into 10 is equal to 0.055 microfarad or 55 nanofarad. So 0.055 microfarad is less than the 0.1 microfarad. So that is the, when we do the calculation, the important parameter is that. Okay. Okay. Now in the parallel combination, the total capacitance of the any two capacitors connected together in parallel will be always greater than the value of the largest capacitor in the group, and we are adding together the value. Here, very important thing is, if I have 100 MFD is the maximum thing in parallel, but the total value will be more than 100. Okay. If it's series, it will be less than the least value, and here it will be more than the higher value. Okay. Here, capacitor is if connected in parallel is equal to 1 by total value is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, or total value is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So for example, if it is 0.1 mmD, 0.2 microfarad or 0.3 microfarad connected in parallel, the total value will be 0.6. So putting all put together will be the total value. Okay. What is the total capacitance when two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in series? Is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 will be the total capacitance value. Oh, sorry. Capacitors connected in series C1 plus C1 plus C2. Oh, it will be in parallel. Please.
1 by C1 plus 1 by C2.
1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 will be the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay, n capacitors connectors are in series. Calculate the equivalent capacitance. N capacitors have connected in C. Capacitance are connected in series. Calculate the equivalent capacitance. C is equal to C by N, or C by Cn, or N by C. In series only. C by N. Yeah.
1 by C.
Yeah, 1 by C only, C by N. C by N in number of capacitors. Okay. Okay. When capacitors are connected in series, the equivalent capacitance is less than each individual capacitance, greater than, less than, equal to, insufficient, data provided. Okay, so when capacitors are connected in series, the equivalent capacitance is less than each individual capacitance. Okay, when the capacitors are connected in series, dash remains the same. Voltage across each capacitor, charge, capacitance, resistance. Voltage across each capacitor is the same. So the charge, okay, the current will be the same. Charge will be the same. When capacitors are connected in series, dash varies. Voltage across each capacitor, charge across each capacitor, capacitance across each capacitor, resistance across each capacitor.
Voltage varies.
Voltage across each capacitor varies. Okay. 410 pf to 410 farad capacitors are connected in series. They calculate the equivalent capacitance.
E by N.
Hmm.
N for
2.5 farad.
2.5.
10 by 4.
1 by 4.
10 by 4.
Yeah. 2.5 will be the correct answer. Okay. Capacitors C1 and C2 have voltage drops 2 volt, 3 volt and 5 volt respectively. Calculate the total voltage in the circuit. What will be the total voltage? If a drop across each capacitor is 2 volt, another capacitor 3 volt, another capacitor 5 volt, then what will be the total voltage?
10 volts.
10 volt. Okay. Capacitor is a device used to store electrical energy, vary the resistance, store magnetic energy, dissipate energy.
Store electrical energy.
Store electrical energy. What is the total capacitance when three capacitors C1 and C2 and C3 are connected in parallel?
Parallel add C1 plus C2 plus C3.
Plus C3. Yes, correct. So what will be the value?
Calculate the total capacitance.
Total capacitance. These capacitors are connected in parallel. So 1, 2, 13 farad. Calculate the charge in the 1 farad capacitor. Calculate the charge in the 1 farad capacitors.
100.
100. Yes.
Not very much.
100. When capacitors are connected in parallel, the total capacitance is always dash the individual.
Greater than
The individual value. Three capacitors having a capacitance of 2 farad, 4 farad and 6 farad are connected in parallel. Calculate the effective parallel capacitance value.
12 farad.
12 farad.
12 farad. I think again you have gone back to the old series. So very important thing here is when the capacitors are connected in series, the value increases or decreases.
Any doubt? Shall we go to a semiconductor part?
Very important thing is when capacitors are connected in series, whether the value will increase or decrease. The value decreases. When capacitors decreases. When the capacitors are connected in parallel, the value increases. Okay, that is only important point on the capacitor. Okay. But whereas in the resistor, when resistors are connected in parallel in series,
Distance will be increased.
resistance will increase. When it is connected in parallel,
Decrease.
it decreases. Okay, it is quite opposite on capacitors.